Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 electric bike stands out as a robust and versatile option for adults seeking an efficient and powerful mode of transportation. With a peak motor output of 1500 W, this electric bike delivers impressive performance, allowing users to tackle steep hills and rough terrains with ease. The acceleration is smooth and responsive, giving riders the confidence to navigate through city streets or enjoy leisurely rides along scenic routes. One of the most noteworthy features is its 48V12.8Ah removable battery. This battery provides a commendable range, enabling riders to cover substantial distances on a single charge. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, the battery life will likely meet your needs. The convenience of a removable battery cannot be overstated, as it allows for easy charging at home or in the office without the hassle of bringing the entire bike indoors. The build quality of the Aipas F3 is commendable, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that balances durability with lightweight mobility. The bike feels solid and dependable, instilling confidence even on uneven surfaces. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during rides, particularly at higher speeds. Riding comfort is another highlight. The bike is equipped with a comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars, catering to a range of rider heights and preferences. The smooth suspension system absorbs shocks efficiently, making rides enjoyable even on bumpy roads. In terms of design, the Aipas F3 boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide audience. The LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility during low-light conditions, contributing to overall safety. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike for adults offers an outstanding blend of power, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, this bike is sure to impress.